Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm gonna explain about the default params in TypeScript and how they work. I will show you step by step. Okay, so now create a new file called a default params.ts. You can name this TypeScript file to what you prefer. Okay, so now let me create a simple function. For example, my favorite food is for example, let me create a new function and now let me give it the food is gonna be a string and which equals to like a pizza. Okay, now I'm showing to you is a the default params, how they work in TypeScript. Okay, so I give this parameter as a string and I give it this value, and let me return my for example, let me say like this, like my favorite food is $sign plus the food. Okay, so now I create this default parameter. Now for example, const my food, my fav for example, which equals to, let me call my function and let me try to console .log my fav and my favorite food. So now when I try to run the code, and you will get my favorite food is a pizza. Okay, so I didn't provide any value in here. Okay, so by default is it is a string data type, and it says that my favorite food is a pizza. Okay, so you can work with an arrow function or other data types. For example, let me show you with other data type or of a boolean how the default params work in TypeScript. Let me comment this and let me say like create a function called today weather is equals to or is sunny, is a sunny, which equals to, I'm creating with arrow function and with a boolean value. Okay, that have default value. For example, is sunny which equals to no, it is a boolean data, and let me give it a value of true, or which is true. Okay, so now let me return sorry guys, let me return and today is well, we call it a $sign and it's sorry, is sunny. Okay, so now it says that today's is, it says that true. Okay, today is a sunny question mark with a sun icon, and it says that true. Okay, so now const sunny, which is equal to sunny, and let me console.log the sunny. Okay, so I am calling the function and I am printing. Now let me try to run the code, and it says that there is error, because I don't know why this error occur. Again, let me run it. Yeah, sorry, I typed wrong command. So it says that today's is sunny question mark, it is a true. Okay, so you can work with a different data type in TypeScript, with a boolean, with what we call it, with a boolean, with a string, with a number. You can work with a default parameter by providing the data type, that is annotation we work. So you can give it the annotation and provide the value for it. Okay, so that is how the default params work in TypeScript. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like, and I'll see you on the next TypeScript tutorial. Bye bye.